Edo government don't receive the Torch of Unity 2022 as Shaibu accused Buhari over 500 million naira for the last Edo 2020 festival. Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu don't receive the Torch of Unity for the 2022 edition of the National Sports Festival where go shele on November 28th for Delta State. Our Tory person for office of the Deputy Governor, Oluwatobi Odeshola, talk say Shaibu wey receive the torch on Monday for Samuel Gbemudia Stadium, say the Torch of Unity dey important as it go help bring peace and can help improve security for Nigeria. Shaibu consti talk say make the federal government not forget the money when they promise Edo State for 2020 as the host of the National Sports Festival.
We are happy to receive the Torch of Unity, and we pray that the Torch of Unity that we have received, the purpose of establishing this tournament was to unite Nigeria after the war. We pray that this period where we are having security issues, religious and other ethnic problems, that as Torch has gone around the whole country, we pray that this be thing of the past. And as we go to Delta, we pray that all the states that will be participating in this year's tournament will also go back to their state with that peace and unity that will have shared during the tournament. I also want to, through you, to my brother, the Honorable Minister, and to my sister, the Honorable Minister for Finance, to remind you people and appeal that the 500 million that federal government has agreed to pay as part of our support because of the COVID and postponement of the games, up to now we have not received it. We are using this medium as we pass this Torch of Unity that the federal government should please. We need that money. That money was loaned. We are not asking for interest. We just need the 500 million to be paid to us. And we pray that they will understand and send this money back to Edo State government. We will continue to support the federal government. We will continue to support the Honorable Minister for Youth and Sport for his agenda to transform sport in Nigeria. Even with the recent 10 years master plan that he did, we are feed into that 10-year master plan so that our young children can live their dream of being champions of the world.
Deputy Director, Federal Ministry of Youth and Sports and coordinator on top the National Torch of Unity, Amaka Ashiofor, consti talk say the Torch of Unity dey about peace and unity, and when it reach any state, it shows say the state they ready to participate for the festival.
We are here to present the torch officially. The torch was flagged off on the 28th of October 2022 by His Excellency Buhari, the President of Nigeria. And since then, the torch has been going around all the states of the Federation. We started with the northern zone and then down to the south. Today we are here to present this torch to you, Edo State Deputy Governor. The torch, what is it all about? It is all about peace and unity. That is what it signifies. And when torch comes to every state, it shows the acceptance that the state is willing to participate in the National Sports Festival.
Team Edo go land for Asaba, the capital of Delta State, on Tuesday, as them they hope say them go do well for this year's sports festival. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Don't forget your PVC and your power. Not say I'm giving any politician on election day.